Alright guys, I'm here today at WannaGoFAST in Sulphur Springs. So I've got Mike here and we've got this kind of looks like General Lee. Is that kind of what we've got here? What are we looking at with this Viper?
This is my General Lee Viper.
Sure, okay, I got you.
It's a Texas flag, so it's kind of like the General Lee, but it's Texas.
Yeah, it's just a Gen 5 Viper that runs 185.5 miles.
That's about it.
So how did you guys get this 185? What's under the hood here?
It has our turbo kit, Motec, and that's it. Pretty simple. Our fuel system, both on still factory sealed, stock motors, taking everything we throw with it.
Stock bottom end, you're running the twins. What kind of boost is this kit putting out?
Right now, we're about 15 pounds of boost, roughly. First through third gear still, we're only running on wastegate springs, so we're about 700 horsepower. Right. And then fourth and fifth gear
ramps up.
Yeah, it ramps up and adds about 300, 400 more.
God, so you guys are pushing close to 1100 off this thing, huh?
Yeah, it's somewhere around that range.
That's nasty. It's been really good. I mean, it's a consistent car. I mean, I think just about every pass I've seen is over 180.
It's always 182 to 182, 182, 182, 185, 182.
Yeah, that's wild.
Depending on traction.
Good deal, dude. So this is still kind of a beta kit. I mean, do you see it in production anytime soon?
Yes, we actually have 3 cars in the shop right now.
Okay, so you're ready to do business.
Oh, we're ready to get it out there and get them on some cars.
So holler at Calvo and get you twin turbo.
I'm telling you, we need to go. We need to have somebody send us their cars, for about 2,500 rear wheel horsepower Gen 5.
Oh, somebody's got a little balls. I want to roll some gears. I got you. Cool, good deal. Mike, I appreciate it today. You guys have done really good passes. I'm looking forward to seeing some more.
No problem, man.
All right, thanks,
Thank you,
buddy.
sir.
All right.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Hey, if you like all things racing, make sure you check out our all-new show, XXX Street Heroes on Carbon TV. It's got driver interviews, walk-arounds, we've got drag racing, street racing, everything fast that you want to see. Make sure you click the video description on my left, or in mobile, make sure you click down below. And remember, XXX Street Heroes, making you a hero.